into the kitchen area. The kitchen area. See, here'll be a sink. A little window to look outside. Here'll be another bit. There's a stove and stuff. You get a cupboard here. Here'll be your island. Lounge room. Media room. So you'll be walking in here. You walk in here. You sit down. You can watch TV. Wow. We walk around corners. Go through here. You walk in robe to put your stuff. I'll get the shower area. And get where your hand basins will be. Like that. And we come through here. You walk into the bedroom. And turn around the corner, the bedroom. Walk around here. Go into the toilet. That'll be the dunny. The other part of walking through the hand basin area. Then you can walk out here. Two great big sliding doors, and we open the doors up. And we're outside. There's Wally's place. Patio. We'll come back here. Next bit, open the doors up. You're back in the lounge room. You see the edges of your coffered ceiling. So, we'll come back here. Back in the kitchen again. One little storage room. You got your pantry. You get the other dunny. There. Bathroom. You walk through here, still got a bit of little wall there. Come through here, bathroom window, looking at Wally's place. There you go. This will be a back door as well, going into here. When we ever put the pool in. Come into here. Guest bedroom. Like this. Nice big window. Look at that. Coming through here, this is then the back way into the garage. There's my storage room there. Woohoo! Storage. Another little cupboard. Storage room cupboard. Your linen cupboard, which is bloody huge, probably the hugest one out of them all. Here, the laundry. And the last guest bedroom. That's the last guest bedroom here, right next to the chooks, so they can be up nice and early. We walk back out here, out of the garage, my storage area, my work area. Turn around, and that's that bit. And you can walk down the side. Walk down the side, the backyard. It's a backyard. In the corner of the backyard, you turn around. That'll be the house. All over the backyard. Still the house. This is the edge of the backyard. Yep. Walk around here. Okay, patio and stuff, and all that good fun. It's over here. Back. going up around. The doggies will be running around. Little drying area outside. Back of the laundry. We're wandering around. Back in the front of the house and back at the garage.